Hey y'all, it's Irix guy here, and this is what it's like to install a towel shower. So if you think this is an easy do-it-yourself project, well, you may not be, I don't know. How patient are you? That's the question. How patient are you? Because, just look at this. This is not an easy project. So, again, if you're wanting to install your own shower, you may want to reconsider, because this is painful. Ouch, ouch, so painful. So again, I'm just sharing this video because a lot of y'all are like, man, that looks easy, man. It's just a bunch of towels against the wall. Nope, nope, nope. It's a lot more than just a few towels against the wall. You got all these little doohickeys to hold it temporarily, and then you got to put the caulk in there, and you got to cut out spaces to put your shampoo and your soap. Cut out spaces for the rough that the handle's going to go on. Cut out a space for your shower head. You can have a shower head out here on a pipe. So there's so much stuff. This is not easy. Not easy, not easy. But I will show y'all the finished product after it's finished in a week or so, because this stuff takes time, man. This is not a task for the impatient. So again, if you were wondering how easy or how difficult is it to install your own shower, it's pretty difficult, dude. And again, if you're impatient, avoid this like the plague, man. Just look at that. Look at that. Not easy. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. Y'all have a good day. And this will be worth it though, because once it's done, man, this will be a great way to feel clean and be organized with that little soap thing over there. Put my soap and, my body soap and my shampoo and my bar soap, all that over there out of the way. Don't have those little suction cup things stuck everywhere on a cheap fiberglass shower stall. This is nice. It'll be worth it. Hey y'all, Captain Irix guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.